In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change your name in the Zoom app. Changing your name in Zoom is a simple process that allows you to personalize your profile and make it easier for others to recognize you during virtual meetings or classes. To get started, open up the Zoom app, and then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your name and the email at the top. And then tap where it says, Display Name. To change your name in the Zoom app, tap on your current display name and then clear it. And type in the new name you want others to see during Zoom meetings. Make sure to choose a clear and appropriate name that reflects your identity. Once you've done that, tap Save at the top right to save changes. Now your display name in Zoom has been successfully changed. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.